In our world, diamonds are among the rarest and most valuable materials on Earth. But somewhere in the universe, an entire planet may be covered in them. This is the unbelievable story of a world where mountains could be made of diamond, where the ground beneath your feet sparkles brighter than any jewel on Earth, and where unimaginable pressure has transformed carbon into one of the hardest materials in the universe. It sounds like something from a science fiction movie, yet astronomers believe such worlds may actually exist. Welcome to the incredible mystery of diamond planets, some of the rarest and most fascinating objects ever proposed in modern astronomy. Today, we'll explore how these planets could form, where scientists think they exist, how they compare with Earth, and whether humans could ever visit one. By the end of this video, you'll realize that our universe is far stranger and far more valuable than we ever imagined. To understand diamond planets, we first need to understand how ordinary planets are formed. Most rocky planets, including Earth, formed from clouds of dust and gas left behind after the birth of a star. These clouds contained elements such as iron, silicon, oxygen, magnesium, and carbon. On Earth, carbon makes up only a tiny fraction of the planet, and most of it exists as graphite, coal, or organic compounds. Diamonds do exist naturally on Earth, but they are formed deep underground under extreme pressure and temperature, and only a small amount reaches the surface through volcanic eruptions. However, scientists believe that not every planetary system has the same chemical recipe. Some stars contain far more carbon than oxygen, creating conditions where entire planets could form with carbon-rich interiors instead of silicate rocks. Under immense gravitational pressure, that carbon may slowly transform into gigantic layers of diamond, creating a planet unlike anything in our solar system. One of the most famous candidates is 55 Cancri e, located about 41 light-years away in the constellation Cancer. This extraordinary exoplanet is nearly twice Earth's diameter and about 8 times more massive. It orbits incredibly close to its parent star, completing one orbit in less than 18 hours. The planet's surface temperature may exceed 2,000 degrees Celsius, making it hot enough to melt many metals. Several years ago, astronomers suggested that because the host star appeared rich in carbon, 55 Cancri e itself could contain enormous amounts of diamond beneath its surface. Some estimates even suggested that up to 1/3 of the planet's mass might consist of diamond. Although newer observations indicate the planet's composition may be more complex than originally believed, it remains one of the strongest examples of how carbon-rich worlds could exist elsewhere in the galaxy. But 55 Cancri e isn't the only fascinating possibility. Scientists have also studied the strange pulsar planet PSR 1719-1438b, often nicknamed the Diamond Planet. This object is incredibly unusual because it orbits a rapidly spinning neutron star rather than a normal sun-like star. Researchers believe this planet may actually be the leftover core of a dead star whose outer layers were stripped away over billions of years. What remains is an ultra-dense object composed largely of crystalline carbon. If this theory is correct, it may contain more diamond that exists anywhere in the known universe. Imagine a planetary object almost entirely made from compressed carbon crystal, essentially a giant cosmic diamond larger than Earth itself. So how exactly do these planets become diamonds? The answer lies in one of nature's most powerful forces: pressure. On Earth, diamonds form around 150 kilometers below the surface, where carbon atoms are squeezed together under pressures exceeding 50,000 times Earth's atmospheric pressure. Now imagine a planet several times larger than Earth. Its gravity creates pressures millions of times stronger than anything experienced on our planet. If that world also contains abundant carbon, those crushing forces could convert enormous regions of its interior into diamond over millions or even billions of years. Instead of scattered gemstones, entire underground layers hundreds or even thousands of kilometers could become solid crystalline carbon. Now, let's compare Earth with a hypothetical diamond planet. Earth has a crust made mostly of silicate rocks, an iron-rich core, abundant water, and an atmosphere capable of supporting life. A diamond planet, on the other hand, could have very little liquid water, almost no breathable atmosphere, and an interior dominated by carbon compounds instead of familiar minerals. Earth's average surface temperature is around 15 degrees Celsius, while many known diamond planet candidates reach temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees Celsius. Earth is a living world full of oceans, forests, and ecosystems. A diamond planet would likely be an incredibly hostile environment where molten lava, extreme radiation, and crushing gravity make life as we know it impossible. Many people imagine that if a planet is made of diamonds, it would instantly make everyone unimaginably rich. But the reality is much more complicated. Diamonds are valuable on Earth because they are relatively rare and difficult to obtain. If an entire planet consisted of diamond, the sheer abundance would completely change their economic value. More importantly, these planets are dozens or even thousands of light years away. With today's technology, even our fastest spacecraft would require hundreds of thousands or millions of years to reach them. In other words, these cosmic treasures remain permanently beyond our reach. For now. Interestingly, diamonds may not exist only on distant exoplanets. Scientists believe that the interiors of Uranus and Neptune may contain conditions capable of producing diamond rain. Deep inside these ice giants, enormous pressure may compress methane molecules, separating carbon atoms and allowing them to crystallize into diamonds. These diamonds could slowly sink deeper into the planets, like sparkling raindrops falling through a bizarre alien atmosphere. Laboratory experiments on Earth have successfully recreated similar conditions, giving scientists confidence that diamond rain may indeed occur inside these distant worlds. The discovery of diamond planets has also changed the way astronomers think about planetary diversity. For decades, scientists assumed most rocky planets would resemble Earth, but every new generation of telescopes reveals stranger and stranger worlds. Lava planets with oceans of molten rock, gas giants hotter than some stars, water worlds covered by endless oceans, rogue planets drifting through interstellar space, and now, potentially, planets built from enormous quantities of diamond. Every discovery reminds us that our solar system represents only one small example among billions of planetary systems spread across the Milky Way. Future observatories such as next-generation space telescopes may finally reveal whether these worlds truly exist in the form scientists predict. By studying the light passing through planetary atmospheres and analyzing subtle changes in starlight, astronomers can estimate the chemical composition of distant planets with increasing accuracy. As technology advances, our understanding of carbon-rich planets will continue to improve, perhaps confirming that gigantic diamond worlds are not just theoretical possibilities, but genuine members of our cosmic neighborhood. The universe has always challenged the limits of human imagination. Once, we believed Earth was the center of everything. Then we discovered that the stars are distant suns, galaxies fill the cosmos, and black holes can warp the very fabric of space itself. And now, we may be living in a universe where entire planets are made from the same crystal we treasure as one of Earth's most precious gemstones. Somewhere, light years away, there may be worlds glittering beneath alien skies, silent, scorching, and unimaginably beautiful. They remind us that nature's greatest masterpieces are not always found in jewelry stores. Sometimes, they are scattered across the endless darkness of space, waiting for humanity to discover them. So, what do you think? Would you ever want to visit a planet made of diamonds? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this incredible journey through the mysteries of the universe, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing space discoveries and mind-blowing science stories. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking up, because somewhere out there, the universe is still hiding something even more unbelievable.